In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip text in Google Sheets to keep cells neat and tidy. If you've ever typed a long entry and watched it spill across neighboring cells, this quick adjustment will help you keep your sheet clean and readable without changing your data. First, open your Google Sheet on your desktop browser. The steps we'll use are designed for the desktop version because the menus are easy to find and consistent across modern browsers. Make sure the sheet you want to work with is loaded and visible on your screen. Next, select the cell or the range of cells where you want the text to be clipped. You can click a single cell, click and drag across multiple cells, or use Shift-click to select a block. If you plan to keep an entire section tidy, feel free to highlight a larger area so the setting applies to all of it at once. Now, look toward the top toolbar and click the Format menu. This is the menu that controls appearance and layout, things like text, number formats, alignment, and more. We'll use it to change how long content behaves inside a cell. When the Format menu opens, hover your mouse over text wrapping. Don't click yet, just pause your cursor there. A small submenu will appear, showing three options: Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. Here's what they do. Overflow allows text to spill into adjacent empty cells. Wrap keeps all text visible by expanding the row height and breaking the line. Clip keeps the text confined to the cell's width and hides anything that doesn't fit without changing the row height. From that submenu, click Clip. The change takes effect immediately. Any cell you selected will show only the portion of the text that fits within the current column width. Nothing has been deleted. Your full content is still in the cell. You can see the entire entry in the formula bar at the top when the cell is selected, and you can always resize the column later if you want to reveal more. At this point, the text will stay confined to its cell, hiding any overflow. This is especially useful for columns that contain IDs, long notes, or imported data, where you don't want text to cover adjacent values. If you ever want a different behavior, you can return to the same menu and choose Wrap or Overflow to switch back. That's all you need to keep your sheet tidy with clipped text. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Sheets.